Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in human rights sentiment, clocking in at plus 0.35, with a momentum of plus 1.05 over the last 24 hours. This is particularly striking, as it suggests a growing positive shift in public discourse around human rights issues, which could be a reaction to recent events or policy changes. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of sentiment, providing you with actionable insights to gauge public opinion on these topics. You might consider using this data in real-time applications, like monitoring social media sentiment during human rights campaigns, allowing you to adjust your strategy dynamically based on public reaction. For more details on how to implement this in your projects, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.